Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix file sharing not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Network and Internet tab on the left-hand side list. Within the Network and Internet section, locate and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now you will see an option for Advanced Sharing Settings. Click on this to proceed. Inside Advanced Sharing Settings, you will find the option for File and Printer Sharing. This setting applies to both public and private networks. If you primarily use a public network, it is important to verify this setting. Ensure that the switch for file and printer sharing is turned on for your network profile. Once this switch is enabled, file sharing should begin working correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.